Hello everyone, and congratulations on a fantastic first week back. I don't know about you, but I am tired, and I'm sure your class teachers are quite tired as well. So I'm hoping you get a really good rest over the weekend and that when you come back on Monday, you'll be firing on all cylinders again. It's been really great to see your happy, smiling faces, and you're really pleased. I think genuinely, I think you'd all admit it. You've missed school and you're very glad to be back. One of the things that I did ask you to do in your classrooms for the first week or so that we've been back in school is to let us know why you've chosen your class name and to create some sort of display around it, because we're not going to be calling you 3LM anymore or 2DC or 6OH. Your class is going to be called by its name, and that name will follow you through your schooling here at Flamstead End. So Rainbow Class, when you're in year 4, you're going to be Rainbow Class still, okay? It was really interesting to see the names that you came up with, and the displays are fantastic. So I'm going to introduce every single class to all of you right now. So let's start with 5SW, no longer 5SW. These guys are called the investigators. The investigators because they are determined to find out how to solve problems. They like problems and they like solving them. And most of all, they really love science and maths. Have a look at their display. Next up, we have a year 3 class, Rainbow Class, 3CW. They think that rainbows is a brilliant name, and so do I, because they say that everybody views rainbows slightly differently. There's lots of different ways to look at them, and it's a bit like how they have different opinions and different views on things in their class. And they also thought that rainbows were a good sign of peace and harmony, and that's how they want their class to be. Hello, Rainbow Class. Over to year 1 now. 1SF have voted to call themselves Sunshine Class. They believe that they are all rays of sunshine that brighten up the world, and I couldn't agree more. Well done. Over to our older children now. 6SR have called themselves Connected Cables. And they called themselves Connected Cables because they believe that they are fast, they work together, and they have a positive effect on each other. I couldn't agree more. That's a fantastic idea. Well done, and welcome, Connected Cables. Back to year 1 now. 1CB, Miss Bennett's class, have called themselves Dolphins. Now, that is a fantastic name because I don't know about you, but I love dolphins. Dolphins are really intelligent and they're really good communicators. They're good at letting each other know how they're feeling or what they need. And that is just what 1CB are. Intelligent and working as a team. Brilliant. The other year 3 class, 3LM, have called themselves the Emperor Penguins. This is a specific type of penguin, and they believe that they are just like them. They are resilient, they work well in a team, they're brave, and they have to be really, really resilient because Emperor Penguins have to look after their eggs and keep themselves warm, and they look after each other. They're very interesting as a species, and I think they're just the name for this class. Well done, Emperor Penguins. Five CS have called themselves Class of Rock. The children were talking about a film called Class of Rock. I've seen that film. And they said that all of the children really needed to work together to overcome lots of obstacles, and they were really successful. They were really resilient and really determined. And that's just how they see themselves. I think that's a fantastic name. And I think if you are in a rock band anyway, you need to work together. So there you are. You're working together as well. Well done, Class of Rock. back to year 6. 6OH have decided to call themselves Resilience Class. Now they believe that year 6 is going to be a tough year. It is a tough year in year 6, and that they're going to need every single ounce of resilience and determination they can possibly muster to be as successful as they can this year. They said they need a positive attitude so that they can try new things. They also talked about the fact that you would need resilience if you were going to be working together with other people collaboratively, because you would need to get over things that were annoying you or irritating you around working in a group. So well done and welcome, Resilience Class. Back in Key Stage 1, Year 2, 2DC, Miss Claydon's class have decided to call themselves Heroes. And I think that's a brilliant name. They've been thinking about superheroes and how they all have lots of different qualities that are fantastic. And they believe that they also have lots of different qualities amongst themselves, lots of different superpowers that make them who they are. And that's a brilliant name. Welcome, Heroes. 4CW have chosen a fantastic name. They've called themselves Galaxy Class. They've chosen this name because there is an infinite amount of unique galaxies in the universe, and they believe that they are all unique as members of the class. They went through their astronaut characters and they thought that astronauts would have to have great teamwork and resilience if they wanted to be successful on their mission. I think Galaxy's a fantastic name. Welcome, Galaxy Class. 4KH, that's Miss Hopwood's class, they've decided to call themselves Lion Pride, and they've chosen this because they are strong, they're fearless, and they are determined. They also said lions are very beautiful, and so are they. I think I agree. They said they like to work well together like a pride of lions would, and they like the idea of teamwork. Well done, Lion Pride. 2CC have also called themselves Penguin Class. It's a bit different to Emperor Penguin Class. They want to be Penguin Class. Now, they've thought long and hard about this, Mrs. Cooper's class, and they've decided that penguins have really good teamwork. They work together to look after their young, and when it's cold, they protect each other. They're very resilient. They never give up finding food, and that's just like 2CC. They're pride. They're very proud animals, and they're very smart and clever, and they respect each other and give each other space when needed, and that's just like 2CC. Welcome, Penguin Class. I'm really looking forward to finding out what our reception classes decide to call themselves once they've settled in. So, everybody, with our new names and our new year, we're looking forward to so much, and we're looking forward to working with all of you. You're doing ever so well. Keep it up.